Hello and welcome to this segment on the food you eat. Our bodies need a daily supply of nutritious food to provide it with the energy that fuels its cells, the building material that makes it up, and the essential vitamins and minerals needed for various biochemical pathways. The average adult requires a diet that will provide them with approximately 2,500 dietary calories a day. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, the USDA, half of what we eat should be fruits and vegetables, and the other half should be whole grains and some source of protein like fresh fish or meat. However, everybody has their own favorite foods and develop their own particular eating habits. If you're like the average American, more than half of your diet is filled with highly processed foods. Many of these foods are full of added sugars and fats, contributing to being overweight and obese. This type of diet also greatly contributes to the development of various cancers, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. According to the Office of Disease Prevention and Health Promotion, more than 2/3 of all adults and nearly 1/3 of all children and youth in the United States are either overweight or obese. At least 1 in 4 Americans eat some type of highly processed fast food every day. Researchers have established 3 categories describing various levels of food processing. Unprocessed or minimally processed include foods like vegetables, beans, milk, and pasta. Other foods include cheese, pickled foods, and butters. Ultra-processed include foods like soft drinks, cookies, salty snacks, and French fries. Besides being loaded with sugars, fats, and salt, ultra-processed foods contain many artificial preservatives, colors, and flavors. According to the FDA and USDA, this is what the average American eats in a year: 222.2 pounds of red meat and poultry, 152 pounds of sugar, 85.5 pounds of fat, and 2.7 pounds of salt. Even if you try to eat a healthy diet, the fruits and vegetables that you eat may contain pesticide residues or other contaminants. The U.S. Department of Agriculture has found widespread pesticide contamination on popular fruits and vegetables, which they call the dirty dozen. This includes strawberries, spinach, kale, nectarines, apples, grapes, peaches, cherries, pears, potatoes, celery, and tomatoes. Finally, the American diet contains a high concentration of genetically modified organisms, GMOs, or genetically engineered GE foods. The following crops contains the highest percentage of modification, and they are also common ingredients in many processed foods: soybeans 94%, corn 92%, canola 95%, and sugar beets 99.9%. Some scientists are concerned that GMO foods may be contributing to increases in food allergies and some forms of cancer. When it comes to food, this old saying holds true: you are what you eat, and the question arises, who is responsible for what is in your food and what you eat?